Welcome to Golden Rule, your trusted home comfort experts. Today, we're excited to talk to you about the U98MV Endeavor Line Ultra Series gas furnace. Let's kick things off by looking at the fantastic features this furnace offers. First, you get peace of mind with a 10-year parts warranty and a limited lifetime heat exchanger warranty. Plus, there's a conditional limited unit replacement. It's not just about performance, it's also about comfort. The U98MV offers the quietest operation thanks to its insulated cabinet and variable speed airflow technology. Saving on energy costs is important. This furnace boasts an impressive 98% annual fuel utilization efficiency and is ENERGY STAR certified. And for the ultimate comfort, it's modulating, providing you with a range of 40 to 100% capacity as needed. Now you might wonder, is this unit perfect for my home? Well, let's find out. This gas furnace is ideal for homeowners who want to reduce their utility bills, especially those dealing with hot and cold spots in their homes. It's also a great choice if you plan on living in your home for over 10 years. Now let's talk about the installation cost. The cost to install the U98MV can range from $8,000 to $10,000 depending on your specific requirements. To wrap it up, the U98MV Endeavor Line Ultra Series gas furnace from Golden Rule is all about performance, efficiency, and ultimate comfort. It's perfect for homeowners like you who want the best in heating technology. Thanks for tuning in. If you have questions or need more information, call or visit our website. Remember, we're here at Golden Rule to keep your home comfortable.